Question: how to remove my Timebucks account permanently? Or how do I delete my Timebucks account permanently? If I have two accounts in one device, how do I delete my Timebucks account permanently? How do I deactivate my Timebucks account? Answer: to delete your account, send a support ticket via the support tab requesting this. Please note that all your data, including all earnings, will be deleted forever and cannot be recovered. Alternatively, if you wish to just deactivate your account, so you don't appear on the site and don't receive any emails from us, but you can still come back at a later date and reactivate.
Case 1. To deactivate your Timebucks account, you must log in into your Timebucks account, then go to Setting tab as I am doing on screen. Then select, or automatically it will go on Profile sub-tab, go down side a little, see second last line as written in these words, to deactivate your account. Please click here, click on it. Then one text box appears in front of you. Type the answer of above question. As you can see me, I am writing something there. You can copy me or write as you will. Check grammar and spelling. If you have done a mistake, correct it, and at last you must mention your name as in Timebucks profile, and write the Timebucks account below. Click on Submit button, and do as the page shows instructions. Case 2. If you want to delete or remove your Timebucks account permanently, log in into your Timebucks account, then click Support tab. It will open support page in front of you. Click on small arrow on right side as you are seeing me on screen. Select I want to remove my account. You will show two green rectangles with texts. Read it carefully, understand it. Delete my account. When you select delete my account, it means delete all data and earning forever. This cannot be restored. Other option is deactivate my account. You can deactivate your account following these instructions also, but we done it already. So select above delete my account. Timebucks will ask you your account password and valid deleting reason. Tell the reason to Timebucks staff honestly and request them to remove all data which was you given them, for example, government ID card or passport, etc. Your account will remove within 24 hours or 3 days. By clicking delete button, your ticket will show under in pending status. If your reason will not be valid, may Timebucks staff will not delete your account. Accept it. If you want to delete your Timebucks account only through your email address, then comment in comment box. I will make new video for you. Thanks for watching.